We are now approaching Bourneville. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform.
Finally here in Cadbury World.
It's on a larger scale. At first, it was very difficult, because I had to pay high taxes on cocoa beans. And then, on top of all that, I had to move out of Crooked Lane and into another factory, here, in Bridge Street. That's when my brother Benjamin joined me, and together we thought with more space, we could now prepare a cocoa powder and an eating chocolate that could be packed and sold. Soon after, my eldest son, Richard, joined the company. Having Richard with us made all the difference. He saw to it that the quality of our cocoa improved, introduces new products, and even opened a shop in London. Our efforts were rewarded when we received our first royal warrant from Queen Victoria.
In 1919, we merged with France, and the company went from strength to strength.
And so we have seen that big things have their roots in the smallest beginning.
Thank you for watching, everyone. We'll now be going on.
the thermometers. What the ladies used to do is they temper it to where they thought it looked about right. I can kind of tell now I've been doing it. So you manipulate the chocolate where you want it. Scrape off any excess. There. Now, the way that and what we want to do is try and get as much of that little bit out as possible to make room for that centre. And because we have temperature chocolate, it will coat them up. It won't all come out. There we go. Now, as I say, this is demonstration chocolate, so feel free to have a look, but you're not allowed to eat it. You will see it's quite shiny. However, there are